Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, universal garage door opener, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.